Hey there everybody, it's Christopher Redfield here from PARAreaction, and today we'll be reacting to Pugatory, Fear of Loud Noises, Episode 3. Now, a short recap from Episode 2, which I think it was Fear of Loneliness, I guess, and my glove is not on, I don't know why, but this one's on for some reason. Anyway, a short recap, Episode 2 was Fear of Loneliness. It turns out that the place they're in is trying to make them fight each other, and I guess they'll be trapped there if they fight each other. I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyways, we'll start this video to see more Cutie Pie, Edgar and Maya. And we'll see what's in it. It's Fear of Loud Noises, but I'm not sure how you could be afraid of loud noises. Alright, we'll start the video in 3, 2, 1. Wait, gotta check first if it's volume up. Alright, start. 3, 2, 1, now. Maker Studios presents. Can't wait. I couldn't do this yesterday because there's loud noises in my room, so I couldn't hear. Oh, it's another flashback.
Oh, the peaceful sound of summer.
Hey,
what?
Come back here and I'll show you some real noise, truck face.
I don't hear you.
Truck face.
Do you think this cave is safe?
Super safe. Check that sign.
Welcome. No welcome, unhappy.
Oh my gosh, what was this scary noise? So scary!
Monsters. Probably big ones. Why?
I wish I had my blanket real bad right now, Edgar.
Oh, the wish game. I wish I had a rocket car made of hot dogs. Maya, where are you going? It's your turn. Maya!
PewDiePie. Oh, busting. What is that?
Oh, blanket, I miss you so deeply.
Your blanket doesn't make problems go away, Maya. It just hides them. All blankets are good for is cuddling, snuggling, and rolling into a pug burrito. Now let's go!
Oh, what are those? Oh. Oh, where's the third one? Oh, there it is.
Hey guys, check it out. Somebody thinks we're being too loud.
Hey guys.
Roll out the definator!
Whatever. Definator. I think I made it too loud.
Hey, pipe down! You're scaring Maya, and also mildly irritating me.
Hey, indoor voices, bro!
Your wings are shrinking them!
Oh, where's your shades now, bro?
You're embarrassing yourself, Glenn.
Glenn.
Why were you guys being so loud and scary?
Duh, it makes us feel big.
But we're pretty powerless and openly confronted about it.
Hey, pal, save it for your diary. Tell us where the wishbone is, or we'll mop the floor with you.
Dude.
In the deep, dark woods, in our house of lies, is a map that will lead you to your prize.
I think he means the wishbone.
Whose house of lies?
The witch is rum.
The witch will try to fool you. Don't be fooled.
Oh, they're really helpful.
Take this for protection. Also, it makes a cool noise.
Big boom.
And please don't share how easily we back down. We don't want to
Oh,
lose
it's
our
Billy.
secret, you know what I mean?
Your secret shame is safe with us.
If we're getting all real, dudes, scaring people is kind of lame. I see that now. Okay, thanks, bye.
Oh, I get it.
I miss them already.
What? You just meant like a few seconds. Oh.
Billy?
Oh! They're gone. No! That's it! Oh! Crud! No! I want more! Dang. Oh, are they dead or are they gone? Oh man, that sucks. Damn it. Oh, well, I guess that's it then. Oh, I didn't understand. Okay, I didn't understand that video that much, but I guess the Pugatory means their fear, I guess. I mean, the fear of loneliness, they were afraid of being alone, and here we're focusing on the fear of Maya, which she's afraid of loud noises. So I guess the next episode, I'm gonna predict that we're gonna see the fear of Edgar, I guess, because right now it only shows that Maya was afraid of loud noises, and the only way to conquer that fear is to be loud yourself. So that was nice, I guess. I'm not saying it's bad, it's just that it didn't explain the current situation, what's going on actually, but it did a little story progress where they found out that in order to go to the wishbone, they need to find this witch, I guess, which is a dude. Wait, why are witches dudes? I thought wizards were dudes and then witches for girls. Anyways, why am I touching my nose? Ugh. I'm gonna put on Pinocchio the next day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And hey, go watch the video yourself. You don't need to see this stupid face and this stupid background and this and a stupid outro in the end where you could just see that there's actually nothing in the end. I'm not just pausing it to like spoil you guys. There's literally nothing in the end. Well, I just kind of spoiled it. And the more I talk, the more I'm gonna have a hard time editing this video. Crap! Anyways, this is Christopher Redfield signing out. Stay hidden, my friend. Whoosh!